Honorable Speaker, sir. So through you, I would like to ask the Finance Minister, is that what is the financial allocation made for setting up or starting this new 21 medical colleges, sir? And also, what is the expenditure incurred for starting this 21 medical colleges, sir? And also, sir, the third question I would like to ask is, what would be the additional financial burden on the Department of Health and Medical Education because of this new 21 medical colleges, sir? Sir, I would also like to know from Honorable Finance Minister, yesterday also I had asked the same question, sir. What is the estimated amount for starting a new medical college and a hospital? What would be the total expenditure for salaries of teaching and non-teaching staff in these 21 medical colleges, sir? And lastly, sir, I would also like to know what would be the total amount that would be incurred paying as a stipend to the undergraduates and postgraduates, and also what would be the amount, total amount incurred for the SRs. And lastly, I would like to know, sir, from Honorable Finance Minister Saab, is that please let this House know as to what is the amount that the government spends on making one doctor, and what is the amount that government spends in making one postgraduate, and what is the amount that government spends in making one super specialty. And also, sir, I would like to bring to your kind notice, sir. Sir, right from the year 21, for the year 21, 22, 22, 23, sir, the scholarship has not been paid to the medical colleges. When would this be paid, sir? The postgraduate students took an admission in 20 and they have completed their postgraduate studies, and still the fees is due to the colleges. Yesterday, Honorable Minister Saab was saying that we are paying the salaries only 1 year, but here, sir, from last 3 years, it has not been paid. I can give an example of my own medical college. 6 crores of rupees are due to Deccan College of Medical Sciences for the year 2021, 21, 22, 22 and 23, sir, also for the postgraduate also, sir. I hope that Honorable Minister Saab would give me a specific reply for the questions raised, sir.
Minister Garu.
अकबर भाई ने इतना पूछा, ये तो शार्ट डिस्कशन में कन्वर्ट कर दीजिए, मैं एक आधा घंटा प्रिपेयर होकर जवाब दे सकता हूँ. You know, sir, this is a question hour, but still I'll try my best to answer all his questions. Gauranilu.
Through you, I would like to once again ask the Honorable Minister Saab, out of the questions which I have asked, only one question was answered. The rest of the questions haven't been answered. Sir, we are starting a new medical college, so we have to have the financial allocation for the colleges. And at the same time, sir, anyway, Honorable Minister Saab had said he will send me the reply. I thank him that he would send me the reply. But at the same time, sir, yesterday also I have raised a very important issue. That issue is pertaining to the A category of non-minority colleges. And minority colleges have A category of 50%, non-minority has 60%. So 50%, sir, and minority has 50%, sir. Now the question is that, sir, कि आप ये जो नॉन माइनॉरिटीज में 50% रखे हैं और माइनॉरिटी में 60 रखे हैं, उसकी वजह से द मेरिटोरियस स्टूडेंट्स आर लूजिंग द अपॉर्चुनिटी. दिस हैज टू बी करेक्टेड बाय द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट. Why that minority colleges have given 60% and non-minorities have been given 50%? Sir, I'm standing here and I'm not saying that the 60% of minority should be reduced. No, sir. Minority students are getting benefited. The A category fees is 60,000, sir. Yesterday also I have told, sir, with this more than 300 meritorious students will get a benefit if this is corrected. Why are we not correcting this? Private college is a private college, sir. Whether it is minority or non-minority. Category distribution, percentage distribution should be equal. Why is it not equal? Is my question. Kindly correct it, sir. With this, many meritorious students, sir. Hindu students, Muslim students, SC students, ST students, BC students, tribal students, all students will get benefited if this is corrected. So we should correct this. Sir, the seat allocation is going on. The counseling is going on. Sir, when I say that minority colleges have 60% of A category, the fees is 60,000. Non-minority colleges have an A category of only 50%. Here it is 60% and there it is 50%. Because of this, sir, more than 350 students will be losing an opportunity. The meritorious students belonging to Hindu, Muslim, SC, ST, BC, sir. The counseling is going on. I am not standing here and saying that can reduce the 60% of minority colleges. No, sir. Let it be, sir. But here I am saying that non-minority colleges are having only 50%. Because of that, 300 meritorious students will lose their seat, will forfeit their seat, or they will end up paying 13 lakhs or 14 lakhs per annum. This is what I am saying. This needs to be corrected. The counseling is going on, sir. Today the counseling is going on. That is why I am saying, why is the differentiation between minority and non-minority? Why should a meritorious student end up paying lakhs? Why should they pay lakhs? Let them have the seat in thousands also. That is what I am saying. Government is, sir, the government नए medical college ला रही साहब 150 सीट एक कॉलेज में होते, 2 नए medical colleges लाए वैसा है ये, 2 नए medical colleges, 150 के सीट के 2 साहब. तो प्लीज मेरी बात को समझिए, इस पे आप करेक्ट करिए या तो काउंसलिंग को स्टॉप करिए. Or stop the counseling. Stop the counseling, correct this mistake, and then let the students go on the web counseling. Immediately you should stop the counseling.
సార్ మీ ద్వారా నేను ప్రభుత్వానికి సజెషన్ ఇచ్చేది ఏంటంటే దయచేసి మార్చాల్సిందే నేను కోరుతా ఉన్నాను.
The issue was brought it to our notice yesterday night only. Before that we doesn't know. It was there since long time. Yesterday night in the discussion, honorable member has told me, we were in the house till night 10:30, 10:45 in the house only. Again we are here at 10 o'clock. When can I address that issue, sir? I promise him that today itself I will conduct a meeting. I will talk to the department and I'll also take the opinion of the legal department, and we will try to find a solution as early as possible.
टॉप सिलेक्शन कंप्यूटर्स सेल्स एंड सर्विसेज टेक्नोलॉजी के इस दौर में शहर हैदराबाद का एक ही वाहिद भरोसा टॉप सिलेक्शन कंप्यूटर्स. हमारे यहाँ आपको मिल जाएंगे ब्रांडेड रिफर्बिश्ड डेस्कटॉप्स एंड लैपटॉप्स from top quality trusted brands like Dell, HP, Lenovo, etc. with latest generation of processors like Core i3, i5 और i7 में अवेलेबल है. चाहे वो कॉर्पोरेट ऑफिस, स्कूल्स, कॉलेजेस और हॉस्पिटल यूज के लिए बल्क क्वांटिटी हो या फिर आपके पर्सनल यूज के लिए सिंगल क्वांटिटी, हमारे यहाँ आपको सब मिल जाएगा. हम एट अ टाइम 100 to 500 क्वांटिटी ऑफ यूनिट्स प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं एट होलसेल प्राइस. और इसके साथ टॉप सिलेक्शन कंप्यूटर्स में आपको रिपेयरिंग सर्विसेज भी दस्तियाब है. चाहे वो आपका डैमेज डेस्कटॉप हो या लैपटॉप, हमारे एक्सपर्ट टेक्नीशियंस आपको हर तरह की रिपेयरिंग प्रोवाइड करते हैं, फ्रॉम हार्डवेयर टू सॉफ्टवेयर, फ्रॉम चिप लेवल रिपेयरिंग टू फैब्रिकेशन. इसके अलावा टॉप सिलेक्शन कंप्यूटर्स में आपको सीसीटीवी कैमरास भी मिल जाएंगे जो कि HD क्लैरिटी विद कंप्लीट पैकेज में अवेलेबल है, ताकि आप अपने आसपास के सराउंडिंग्स को सेफ एंड सिक्योर कर सके और इस सिटी को क्राइम फ्री रखने में अपना कंट्रीब्यूशन दे सके. हमारे पास सीसीटीवी कैमरा के माहिर टेक्नीशियंस की निगरानी में बेस्ट सर्विस अवेलेबल है. हम 15 ईयर्स से 3 लाख प्लस कस्टमर्स को हमारी सर्विस प्रोवाइड कर चुके हैं एंड दे आर हैप्पीली सेटिस्फाइड. तो आज ही चले आइए टॉप सिलेक्शन कंप्यूटर्स एट विजयनगर कॉलोनी बिसाइड रेयान होटल हैदराबाद. डायरेक्टर सैयद राशिद अली माजिद. सेल नंबर 9849715954.